Hello, everyone. Good evening. I welcome you all for this success story. So, today we have Shama with us who will be sharing her journey. Hello, Shama.
Hi,
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing good, Shama. So, Shama has recently got job as AI ML engineer at a company called as Digitus, right? So, Shama, please take us through your journey from being a student at DataMites and successfully landing a job.
Yeah, I have completed my BTech in 2020 and I was preparing for some bank exams and I was not sure that what I want to do and then I realized that I'm interested in I was good in maths and so I came into machine learning and data science and then this year 2025 January I came into DataMites and took the course in AI and yeah now I'm placed as an AI ML engineer.
Great, great to know about that. So you were offline or online student, Shama?
Yeah, I was offline student.
You are at Bangalore office or you are at any other location?
Yeah, in Bangalore office.
You had come to Bangalore. Okay, wonderful,
Yeah.
wonderful. Nice to know about it. So tell me about your journey of sessions at DataMites. Okay, you started with serious course, that is, you started with Python in that. So how was your experience in learning Python?
Yeah, no, I started only AI course and uh, I studied Python myself and only deep learning concepts I've studied from Datamites and it was nice. The classes were 2 hours daily and the tutor was very helpful and the projects we have to do the projects after completion of after the completion of the course and they provide the internship on collaboration with aerobics and we have to do the projects and the hands-on learning was very helpful so yeah it was good.
Great. So you started off with AI. So were you having any earlier knowledge about all the machine learning concepts before you started with this AI course, Shama?
Yeah, I have done another coursework before coming to Datamites, but I didn't got any placement. I thought to upskilling in AI. I took the course from Datamites.
Great, great. So how was the experience learning deep learning concepts for you, Shama?
Deep learning concepts was good as I was good in maths, so it was the tutor was also very helpful and the classes was good. Uh, so uh, More than the classes, you have to do the work and we have to revise the topics daily and do the hands-on projects on the concepts. So it was good.
Great. So how much time you used to spend daily for the study, right? Post 2 hour sessions. How much time you used to give for the revision of all the concepts?
Yeah, daily 3 to 4 hours is needed for every. We have to revise the concepts daily. So the Python concepts and deep learning and statistics, machine learning, they're huge. So we have to revise it.
Correct, correct. So, any other materials you referred, Shama, apart from the trainers, what they taught, right? Where did you refer to any YouTube or any other websites for your practice?
I have referred YouTube channels, and there are many machine learning books, and I like to read more than looking into videos. So, the machine learning books, they were very helpful, and we have there will be hands-on projects also in that books, and yeah, YouTube videos also nowadays there many videos are available, so it was also helpful.
Great, great. So tell us more about your projects. So you did internship here. So what kind of projects were there?
I have done the projects and traffic signal classification. Like it's it is used by CNN and the dog breed classification and time series and pneumonic chest X-ray classification. Like it's by classifying the X-ray as is it pneumonic or not pneumonic by using the conventional neural network, convolution neural network concepts. And yeah, the internship also was project based. Uh, yeah,
Okay, okay, Shama. So once you completed your projects, right, you entered into mock interviews. So how was the experience giving the mock interviews over here?
yeah, mock interviews. Yeah, after completion, we have to attend the mock interview. Uh, it was uh, we can practice before going to the real experience. So I could not clear in first attempt. It was in second attempt I cleared, and they will give you the feedback what we have to improve. And the feedback for me was to improve in NLP concepts and transformers. And in second attempt I could clear the mock interview.
Great, great to know about that. So, for the real interviews, how many real interviews you gave before you cleared this one, Shama?
This was my first interview.
First interview itself.
Yeah.
Great, 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 great. So, tell us more about what kind of questions were asked, right, during your real interviews, you can say, and how
Yeah.
many rounds were there? Yeah.
There were almost four rounds. The first round was like a written test on MCQs based on Python, SQL, and aptitude was there, and AIML concepts. And they were MCQs, and the second round was coding related to AIML. Like there will be the scenarios, some scenarios, and we have to make the data frames. How we will make the data frames and how we will pre-process the data, and the related to hypothesis testing and model deployment and the model training, and we have to write the code. And the third round was it was an online round. It was about our projects, uh, um, what are the projects we have done, and yeah, which model we have used, and the concepts behind the model. It was more technical. And the fourth round was also about the project, but it was not technical. It was like why we use this model, uh, and the relevance of this model, and uh, we have to go deep to the projects.
Great, great, great to know about that. So Python was very important, right? And in your interviews, I found out that any other
Yeah.
programming languages they told you to use, or only pro Python, right? Was right? Whatever languages you know, you can use to solve that particular problem.
No, it was Python. Basics was Python. The
Mm-hmm.
questions was on Python itself.
Everything was in Python.
Yeah.
Great, wonderful, wonderful. So, apart from Python, anything you felt which was more important during this interview, the right, Shama, so which others also can focus more on. Python is one more thing. Other than that, apart from Python, any other thing which you feel our listeners should focus more on for AI ML interview specifically.
Yeah, mainly it's Python and SQL, and you have to go in statistics and the ML concepts, and we have to do anyway. And ML and deep learning concepts, we have to be clear in the basics. We have to be clear, uh, and uh, and we have to be clear on our projects. Uh, basically we have to be clear why we on the why we use this model and its relevance, and the why this project we have done, these kind of things we have to do.
Great, great, great to know about it. So, for interview preparation as well, you refer to all the books you told, right? And
Yeah,
you listen to the YouTube videos also for preparation.
yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful to know about it. So, we have, right, some questions coming up. Let's see from the listeners. First question is, how was internship experience, and did those projects help you in any interview?
Yeah, projects will basically help us in interviews. We have to do the hands-on anyway, and by learning only the concepts, it will not help. We have to do the projects. So it was helpful. It was project based, but yeah, it was very helpful.
Correct. And you should be also very much clear about what you used in the
Yeah,
projects. That's what you
yeah,
told, right? Because
yeah,
they will ask more questions about projects.
yeah,
Great,
projects.
great, great, Shama. So, one more question coming up. How was the mock interview experience at DataMites? Did it help for real interview?
Yeah, it helped for it. It's an experience for as a fresher. We need to know how what will be the questions will be asked, and how will be the interviews. So it was helpful, and the feedback also, they will give the feedback what we have to improve, and what are the topics we have to look into more. So it was helpful.
Correct. So it will give you one kind of, you could say, a starting experience of
Yeah,
how to give and face the questions.
yeah,
So basically, you will be not having any idea about interviews and all, right?
yeah.
So when you give mock interviews, you will be getting ready to face the real interviews, right? Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so next question coming up. How was the placement support by DataMites?
Yeah, they give the opportunities. We have to send the resume, and once our resumes are got selected, we can attend the interview.
Okay. So that's this on the same where we have another question. The data might provide you resume building service or and help them to you to build it, since shortlisting resume is the first and basic process for any interview.
Yeah, it's the basics for uh, resume is the basics. So yeah, they had given me the suggestions where we have to improve in resumes, and uh, about the projects, and it's what uh, what we have to enter in the projects, and uh, how uh, how we have to build the resume. Yeah, they have given the suggestions.
Great, 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 Shama. So we have some questions from YouTube. Dinesh is asking how to get placed in AI and ML role.
Yeah, basically you have to like basic concepts are Python, SQL, and statistics, and machine learning. Then you have to dive into deep learning. And once you're thorough in basics, you can do the projects. Uh, yeah, the projects which are relevant nowadays, and and then you can apply to the interviews.
Correct, correct. Basic should be clear first of all,
Yeah,
right? That is very important. Okay, we have one more question from Ahmed. Any machine learning books would you like to suggest?
yeah, there are a lot of books, but I forgot the name. Yeah, I forgot the name.
Okay, no issues, no issues, Shama. We have one more question. How strong should we be in Python to crack interview?
Yeah, in Python we should be very strong, and Python basics we have to be very strong, and we have to practice every day the logics and all, and then the machine. For me, it was based on ML concepts. The coding was related to ML concepts, and uh, the first round was there. Like it was MCQs in Python, and it was all related to basics. So basically, we have to be clear in basics of Python.
Okay. So any object-oriented programming knowledge is required for Python, or only the libraries like pandas and all, and basic control structure and all is enough? Or
No, yeah, these concepts, object-oriented concepts are also important. But for me, the interview was not about object-oriented concept, but it will be regarding the companies, how they conduct the interviews, how the rounds will be. Uh, yeah, so it is also very important.
yes. Okay, so we have one more question from Sushmita. Is in aptitude round, what type of questions asked related to any right? What kind of is it any general aptitude question or anything else?
Yeah, it was general aptitude. We will get the questions from YouTube and Google. If we search, we will get the questions regarding the distance and age-related questions. Uh, and yeah, the questions will be we will get through the through Google. It the basic aptitude questions.
Okay. Okay. So we have one question from Odds by Me. How many rounds in the interview at company?
I had 4 rounds.
4 rounds. Yeah. Great. Great. All right, Shama's team. Do we have any more questions? Please let us know. So, Shama, you have already joined the company, or right, you are yet to start your journey?
No, I have to join by November 3.
November 3. Wonderful. So, is it in Bangalore itself or any other location there?
Yeah, in Bangalore itself.
Bangalore itself. Great, great, great. Okay, so team, do we have any question? Then please do we. Okay, we don't have any questions, it seems. So, Shama, thank you so much for your time. It was a very insightful session with you, and I hope everyone must have got a lot of information from you, and it will definitely help them to prepare for their interviews. So, best of luck for all your future endeavors, Shama. It was very nice to have you over here.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, bye, Shama. Take care.
Bye.